Hello everyone, today I am going to make Malai Kofta, which has two parts. One is gravy and another is kofta. It's rich, yummy and delicious. Without wasting any time, let's dig into it. First of all, we are going to prepare gravy, and for that I am going to pour 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 teaspoon of ghee. This will give nice aroma and as well as flavor. I am not using butter. If you like, you can also use butter. When our oil is warm, I'm going to add cumin seeds, 2-3 cloves, half black cardamom, 1 bay leaf, 2 green cardamom, the small one, I have crushed it a little bit, and small stick of cinnamon. Our spices are nicely roasted. Now I am going to add onion. We are not going to cook it so much, just little translucent, and that's it. See, our onions are done. Now I am going to add 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. I am just adding whole clove because I have to blend it, that's why. And ½ inch of ginger. This is also roughly chopped. Cook it for a while and then we will add our tomatoes. Now it's the time to add tomatoes. A little bit of salt so that it can cook easily. ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. ½ cup of cashews. We have to take double quantity of tomatoes. If we are taking 1 onion, then we have to take 2 tomatoes. So here I have taken 1 cup of onion, so I am adding 2 cup of tomatoes. In this gravy we always have to take the double quantity of tomatoes. Adding 1 cup of water and allow this to cook till our tomato and cashew get softened. See, this is done. Our tomatoes are done. Our cashews are soft. So I'm going to stop it right now. Yes, it's soft. Now I'm going to take out these leaves. They have done their job, so I'm going to take out all these things. This is a cover of black cardamom and cinnamon sticks. Bring it down to the room temperature and then make a puree out of this. Whatever is left, it's okay because I will steam this. Now we are going to prepare our koftas. First of all, in a bowl I am going to add 1 cup of grated paneer. I have grated because this will give a nice texture and it will be smooth while making koftas. That's why I have grated it. I will recommend to grate this. And 1 cup of grated potatoes. Same quantity of potatoes also. ½ inch of grated ginger. 2 finely chopped chili. This is completely optional. If you don't eat, avoid this step. And 1/4 cup of dry fruits. I have taken almond and cashew nuts. This is again optional. If you don't want, just avoid this step also. Salt to taste. Around 1 tablespoon of corn flour, or you can also use all-purpose flour just to bind it. Mix it well and we are going to make koftas out of this. Time to get your hands dirty. Now I'm going to take a little bit of oil in my hand and going to give a shape. You can give any shape, round or oval. I'm going to make rounds, so like this. Our koftas are done and now I'm going to deep fry. Here I have taken a pan and I'm going to drop this koftas one by one and will deep fry it till golden brown. And I will deep fry them on medium gas. See, these are nicely done. I'm going to take out in a paper towel so that excess oil can be absorbed by the towel. Now the turn of gravy. I'm going to blend it. In a pan, I am pouring the gravy which I have blended. I can also use directly, but if I steam it, then it will give a nice creamy texture. And the name is also a Malai Kofta, so that works for this one. By doing this, we get rid of fiber of tomatoes, spices, all those things. See, we get this smooth gravy. This is the texture we need. Check the salt. Salt is perfect. Going to add ½ teaspoon of kasuri methi, not a lot, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Going to add 1/4 cup of cream. Just give it a good boil. And yes, a tip here. We don't have to drop kofta in the gravy. We always pour gravy over the kofta. If we'll do like this, our kofta will not get broke and it will be fine. Now, turn off plating. I'm putting koftas first. Just put it like this. Going to pour gravy over this. And make sure the gravy is good warm. And of course, little bit of cream. Garnish it with mint leaves or coriander leaf, whatever you have. And here it is. Enjoy with your friends and family. Those who are new to my channel, I would request you to subscribe my channel. Hit the like button if you like it. Also share to your friends and family. See you in next video. Till then, bye. Take care.